Stop right there. If your laptop forgets time, date, or settings every time you shut it down, this video can save you money and stress. In the next 10 seconds, I will tell you the hidden signs of laptop CMOS battery failure that most users ignore. Let us start from the basics. CMOS battery means complementary metal oxide semiconductor battery. This small coin-shaped battery powers the BIOS settings when the laptop is turned off. When this battery becomes weak or dead, multiple strange problems appear. The most common symptom is wrong date and time. You shut down your laptop today, and tomorrow it shows year 2010 or year 1999. Even after correcting time, it resets again after shutdown. This is a classic CMOS battery failure sign. The second major symptom is BIOS reset. Boot order, Wi-Fi enable, secure boot, and virtualization settings keep changing automatically. You save settings in BIOS, but after restart, everything goes back to default. That means the CMOS battery is not holding power. The third symptom is startup error message. You may see messages like CMOS checksum error, BIOS reset, or time and date not set. These messages appear before the operating system loads. Another important symptom is slow or failed boot. The laptop may take extra time to initialize hardware. Sometimes it gets stuck on manufacturer logo. Sometimes it shows black screen for a long time before booting. Hardware detection issues are also common. Laptop may fail to detect hard drive, solid-state drive, or keyboard during startup. After reboot, it may work again temporarily. Some users face power-related problems. Laptop may not turn on with battery only. Laptop may require charger every time to boot. This happens because BIOS power state resets. In some cases, fan runs at full speed suddenly. Thermal and power profiles reset due to CME's failure. This creates abnormal fan behavior. Now let us talk about solution. The permanent solution is CMOS battery replacement. Most laptops use CR2032 battery. Some slim laptops use wired CMOS battery pack. Replacing the battery restores stable BIOS memory. Temporary solution is setting correct time manually every boot. Go to settings, then go to system, then date and time, then set time manually. But this does not fix the root problem. CMOS battery usually lasts 3 to 5 years. Heat, frequent power loss, and long storage reduce lifespan. If your laptop shows 2 or more of these symptoms, replace the CMOS battery immediately. This fix is 100% workable and technician approved. This is Tech Vibes. Like, share, and stay tuned for more real-world tech fixes.